Welcome back to Modular Hippo and happy Sunday. This is a quick question video. I'm looking at my 12-volt DC needs and any redundancy configuration around this, because I am planning to run my lighting, my fridge freezer, as well as my radio and chart plotter from 12 volt. So these are my ideas, and if you as seasoned sailors or electricians have any ideas or objections or concerns, then I would appreciate your feedback in the comments, and we can build forward on that one. We have some rotary switches left from the previous project when we did the 230 volt AC switchboard. So these can be reused for DC as well, as long as you do not have a load on, as it can create arcing, which is bad. I also have 4 of these 230 volt to 12 volt DC inverters and so on. So I'm thinking 2 of these in parallel or connected to the same bus bar should give me 60 amp, which should be plenty, and then I can keep 2 of them for as spare parts if anything goes wrong. So in short, what I'm thinking is to use the DC battery power as default for all the 12 volt needs, and the 12 volt needs will be internal and external lighting. It will also be fridge freezer and radio, as well as chart plotter. So these are all quite important things. So I'm thinking as a backup, I want to be able to switch from the 230 volt and get my 12 volt DC from the inverter as well, or the generator, as well as a third option, which is to have a completely separate 12 volt lithium ion battery on standby in case of everything going wrong. At least then I have lighting, I have access to radio, and I have access to my chart plotter and the freezer. As always, a big thank you for watching and for leaving a comment in the section about any ideas you might have around this question. And until next time, have a nice week.